Good morning, everybody. This is Diane Doyle in Plant-Based Dallas, and I am getting ready to get on a plane, and I wanted to show you all what I pack up for food when I'm going someplace. I got this great backpack igloo from one of the sports stores. I can't remember which one, Dick's or one of those, and this is why I like it. It can be a backpack, but I'm going to show you what I have in it for today. Okay, at the very top I have the things that are a little bit fragile. I've got some grapes in there, and I've got some cooked sweet potatoes, and I've got a plantain that needs to be eaten fairly quickly, and then all the rest of this is frozen. So TSA is going to give me a hassle and unpack the whole thing, but it's all frozen. I've got some Indian food that I've made. I've got several things of frozen multi-grains, because when I get to my destination, I can quickly make up a meal. Here's more frozen grains. And then I've got Mexican pintos. You can do a lot with beans and grains. And I've got more Mexican pintos. You see I have all my Nature's Plate containers that I saved. Thank goodness for Nature's Plate. And we have frozen Nature's Plate cheese that I'm taking to my daughter because she loves the Nature's Plate cheese. And I made some African stew, all frozen, remember. And then down at the bottom, 2 more things of cheese. I've got the rest of the apple galette that I made. She's going to be happy that I'm bringing her a taste of that. And then 2 things down at the bottom. I've got some not frozen chickpea salad that hopefully will stay cool, and a little salad that I made in this one container. So if you're traveling, the key is on an airplane carry-on, take everything that is frozen so they can't take it off and do away with it. So it's easy to travel this way. Y'all have a great day, and we'll be back soon. Bye-bye.